Hi everyone, welcome back to chapter 10. Here we are, focused on intonation in questions with the conjunction or. Notice the intonation pattern in these questions that offer choices when we have that conjunction or in between. Do you want paper or plastic? Where do we hear that question? Do you prefer or do you want paper or plastic? At the grocery store, right? When we're checking out, paper or plastic. You even hear that, just paper or plastic. Notice the pattern where we have initial rising intonation on the first option and then falling intonation on the last option. And even in a series of more than one option, let's say that there are 3 or 4 or 5 options, you're going to have rising intonation on those initial options and falling intonation on the very last one. Do you want paper, aluminum, metal, or plastic? If we were to throw some more options in there, all of the initial options have rising intonation, and the final option has falling intonation. In questions that offer choice, the intonation rises on the first choice and falls on the last choice. So for exercise 6, again, for these exercises for this chapter, you're gonna need to record yourself. Audio or video is okay, whichever of the two, but you can't write these. You have to. I need to hear you pronounce them so you can produce the pattern that you hear or that you're able to recognize. So for exercise 6, as you repeat these sentences, trace the pattern. And you can do it, kinesthetically with your hand, but also obviously with your voice. Trace that pattern of rising intonation on the first choice and falling intonation on the last choice. You can listen to CD2 track 86, but I'll go ahead and do them with you now, and you can repeat along with me. Number 1, was the light yellow or red? Was the light yellow or red? Is the test today or tomorrow? Is the test today or tomorrow? Do you want brown rice or white rice? Do you want brown rice or white rice? Remember that in compound nouns like these, first word is going to have that word word stress, right? In compound nouns, 2 words, the first word is stressed. Just keep that in mind. Number 4, is she laughing or crying? Is she laughing or crying? Do you want your eggs scrambled or fried? Scrambled or fried? Do you consider yourself an introvert or an extrovert? Introvert or an extrovert? Should we hang the picture on this wall or that wall? Should we hang the picture on this wall or that one? Similar situation, right? Kind of treat it as the focus word here is, these are contrasting, right? What we saw in the previous chapter, kind of contrasting information. So that's why this and that are the focus there. And the last one, number 8, do you want to pay by cash or by credit card? Cash or by credit card? And again, we have a slight rise in intonation because of the focus word here, contrasting information. But nonetheless, this will fall toward the very end, right? After credit card, right? Credit card. It's a minor increase in pitch here, and then it drops off there at the end.